The Montana LB is a Soviet multi-purpose fully amphibious auxiliary armored tracked vehicle, which was introduced in the 1950s. It is also produced in Poland, where its YaMZ engine was replaced by a Polish version. In the 1950s, the Soviet Central Auto and Tractor Directorate began a development program to replace the AT-P series of artillery tractors with a new generation of vehicles. The Montana L was developed to meet this requirement based on the PT-76 amphibious light tank chassis. The Montana LB is the armored variant of the Montana L entering production in the early 1970s. It was cheap to build, being based on many existing components, e.g. the engine, which was originally developed for trucks. It is built at the Kharkov tractor plant and under license in Poland by Huta Stalowa Wola and Bulgaria. The crew, a driver and a commander gunner sit in a compartment at the front of the vehicle, with the engine behind them. A compartment at the rear enables up to 11 infantry to be carried, or a cargo of up to 2,000 kilograms. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.